Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to Bella's restaurant. May I assist you with the menu?
Not yet, thank you. I'm waiting for my friend.
All right. Would you like something to drink while you wait?
Can I have a glass of water, please?
Of course. I'll bring it right away. Here's your water, sir. Let me know if you need anything else.
Thank you.
Hi, John. Sorry I'm late. The traffic was awful.
No problem, Emma. I just got here a few minutes ago. Have you been to this restaurant before?
No, it's my first time. Have you?
Yes, I've been here a couple of times. The food is fantastic.
That sounds amazing. I can't wait to try the food here.
I'm sure you'll like it. Let's order now.
Hello again. Are you ready to order, or would you like a recommendation?
Oh, I'd love a recommendation. What do you suggest?
Our grilled salmon is very popular today. It's served with roasted vegetables and a lemon butter sauce.
That sounds amazing. I'll have the grilled salmon.
Excellent choice. And for you, sir?
I will have the steak and mashed potatoes, medium rare.
Great. Would you like to add a starter or a dessert?
Not right now, but maybe later. So, how's the new job?
It's going really well. I like the people, and the projects are interesting. What about you?
I'm still at my old job, but I've been thinking about switching to something more creative.
Like what?
Maybe graphic design or marketing. I feel like I need a change.
That sounds great. You are really creative. I think you would do well in design.
Here's the grilled salmon for you, and the steak for you, sir. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Wow, this salmon is so good. It's so fresh and perfectly cooked.
The steak is amazing, as always. I love how tender it is.
You know, I think I might try something different. What do you think?
That's a good idea. Let's order.
Everything all right?
Yes, everything is fine. I would like to order a small green salad and a glass of orange juice, please.
Of course. Would you like anything else?
I will skip the salad, but I would like to order the shrimp pasta. Also, I would like a cold drink. Do you have sparkling water?
Yes, we do. Would you like a small or large bottle?
A small bottle is fine, thank you.
Perfect. So, one green salad, a glass of orange juice, shrimp pasta, and a small bottle of sparkling water. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Here we go. One small green salad and a glass of orange juice for you.
Thank you.
And for you, the shrimp pasta and a small bottle of sparkling water.
Thank you. It looks delicious.
Is there anything else I can get for you?
Not for now, thank you. The salad is very good. You should try it.
Really? The pasta is also very good. Maybe you will try it.
I would like to, but I am on a diet.
Oh, I understand. Well, at least you are enjoying your salad.
Is everything all right? Are you enjoying your meal?
Yes, everything is wonderful. The salad is fresh and tasty.
And the shrimp pasta is excellent.
Excuse me, I think I would like to order a dessert. What do you recommend?
Of course. We have a delicious chocolate cake, a creamy cheesecake, fresh fruit salad, and sorbet.
I will have the cheesecake, please. And you, John?
I'll stick with the cheesecake too.
Great choice. Would you like anything to drink with your desserts?
Just water for me, please.
I will have a cup of coffee.
Perfect. I will bring your desserts and drinks shortly. Here are your desserts and drinks. I hope you enjoy them.
Thank you. This cheesecake is so creamy. I think it's the best one I've ever had.
I completely agree. It's so rich and flavorful. I'm glad we chose it. Definitely, it's the perfect end to our meal. I'm really enjoying this.
You've been here before, but for me, it's my first time and I'm really enjoying this meal.
I'm glad you like it. I've always had a great experience here. Excuse me, could we have the check, please?
Thank you, everything was wonderful.
I'm glad you enjoyed your meal. Here is the check.
Thank you. Do you take credit cards?
Yes, we do. Thank you, have a wonderful day, and we hope to see you again soon.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share for more content. Thanks for watching.